Today we're going to solve systems of equations using the elimination method. Here's the system we want to solve. 2x plus 3y is equal to 19 and x minus y is equal to 1. Do not solve it yet. First, we will learn the elimination method on simpler examples, then we will return to this main system and solve it step by step. To solve a system by elimination, follow this strategy. First, line up both equations so the x terms, y terms, and constants match in order. Second, make the coefficients of one variable match or become opposites. Third, add or subtract the equations to eliminate that variable. Fourth, solve the new equation, which will have only one variable. Fifth, back substitute to find the other variable and then check the solution in both original equations. If you keep this structure, elimination becomes very systematic. Now let's start with a system that is already set up perfectly for elimination. X plus y is equal to 7 and x minus y is equal to 1. Notice what happens with the y terms. One equation has plus y and the other has minus y. That means we can eliminate y immediately by adding the equations. On the left-hand side, y and minus y cancel out, so we are left with 2x. On the right-hand side, 7 plus 1 is 8, so we get 2x is equal to 8. Now we divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 4. Now we back substitute to find y. Use the equation x plus y equals 7. Substitute x equals 4. 4 plus y is equal to 7. Subtract 4 from both sides. Y is equal to 3. So the solution is the ordered pair x equals 4 and y equals 3. Now we look at another system. 2x plus y is equal to 11 and 3x minus y is equal to 4. Again, look at the y terms. One is plus y and one is minus y. So we can eliminate y by adding the equations directly. Add the two equations. The y terms cancel, 2x plus 3x becomes 5x. On the right-hand side, 11 plus 4 is 15, so we get 5x is equal to 15. Divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 3. Now we back substitute to find y. Use the equation 2x plus y equals 11. Substitute x equals 3. 2 times 3 plus y is equal to 11. That is 6 plus y equals 11. Subtract 6 from both sides. Y is equal to 5. So the solution is x equals 3 and y equals 5. Now we return to the main system. 2x plus 3y is equal to 19 and x minus y is equal to 1. This time, the y coefficients are not opposites yet. The first equation has 3y, the second equation has minus y. So we will multiply the second equation by 3 so the y terms will cancel when added. Multiply the entire second equation by 3. That gives 3x minus 3y is equal to 3. Now we add this new equation to the first equation. Add 2x plus 3y and 3x minus 3y. The y terms cancel completely. 2x plus 3x becomes 5x. On the right-hand side, 19 plus 3 is 22. So we get 5x is equal to 22. Now divide both sides by 5. X is equal to 22 over 5. Now we back substitute to find y. Use the equation x minus y equals 1. Substitute x equals 22 over 5. 22 over 5 minus y is equal to 1. Now solve for y. Subtract 1 from 22 over 5. Write 1 as 5 over 5. 22 over 5 minus 5 over 5 is 17 over 5. So y is equal to 17 over 5. The solution is this ordered pair. X equals 22 over 5 and y equals 17 over 5. In order to check, substitute the ordered pair into both original equations to confirm that both equations are true. Let's summarize the key ideas for solving by elimination. Line up the variables and constants. Create matching or opposite coefficients. Add or subtract to eliminate one variable. Solve the simpler equation and back substitute. Then check the ordered pair in both original equations. Now here's your challenge. Solve this system using elimination. 3x plus 2y is equal to 12, and 5x minus 2y is equal to 8. Pause the video and solve it before you continue. In the description below, you will find a link to my Discord server. This server is built for students working with mathematics, physics, mechanics, and other technical subjects. You can ask questions, help others, share methods, and work through problems together. If you want a place where you can study with other people who are serious about improving, click the Discord link and join the server. I want the server to become active and useful, so you are genuinely welcome there. I will see you inside.